And what is the next analysis of the story? Lencho is a farmer, undoubtedly, and in the story we find him as a loser because he has lost everything due to hailstorm. Economically he is broken, mentally he is broken, upset, he is filled with despair and distress, but he is not illiterate. How come do we know that he is not illiterate? Because he has written a letter on his own. He has written a letter himself. That means he knows how to write letter, how to write. That means he knows to read and write. Here we find Lencho that he is a literate person, literate, educated person, educated farmer. That is why he has written letter to God, and with a hiding manner he has posted the letter in the box, letter box. So thus we come to know the author has presented Lencho as a simple farmer, but as a literate person, farmer. That is one of the parts of analysis of the story. So Lencho's character we find with an outstanding manner, which is presented by the author. Next, we find the character of the postmaster. He is also a kind person. He is a compassionate person. Initially, he was laughing. Initially, he was joking amongst his colleagues or his fellow staff, but later on, he realized his mistake, that he came to know that this person is really a simple person. According to the postmaster, Lencho is a very simple and innocent person who has written a letter to God, who does not know that this letter will never reach God. As consequence, what did he do? He wanted to support Lencho. He also in hiding manner. Lencho, he had dropped the letter into the letter box in hiding manner, and the postmaster also delivered the letter to Lencho in hiding manner, or he paid some money, some amount to Lencho without disclosing his name. Here also we find some important things. We find some chief features or characteristics or significant things in the story which the author has presented through the character of postmaster also. Not only Lencho is the main character, but here we find the postmaster's character also one of the compassionate and merciful and kind character, one of the compassionate, merciful and kind characters in the story. So here, this is the analysis of the story, guys. Now next, let us come to